Then, yeah.
Okay.
So, what can you say about the movie?
I just want to say congratulations sa buong cast at sobrang galing. And ini-invite ko po kayong lahat manood ng Etiquette for Mrs. dahil maraming unexpected na nangyari.
Ano masasabi mo kay Kim Chiu about this film?
It's just a very kakaibang Kim ang makikita nila. Talagang kung ano yung ini-expect nila talaga, it's beyond their expectation.
What moral lesson did you get?
Kailangan nilang panoorin kasi kung sabihin ko moral lesson tapos ng pelikula, kailangan nilang panoorin dahil kung ano yung iniisip nila, hindi yun yung napanood nila. And there's a lot of surprises to film.
Thank you.
Thank you. Kim.
Thank you so much. See, thank you.